So I've been thinking about this lately, and that's knowing what I know now. If I started over today, how would I build my online business? How would I start making online income? Because I would do things very differently. So I thought this would be a good topic, and I'm going to share what I would do today if I wanted to start making income online. Let's get into what I used to do, what I would stop doing immediately, and that's chasing every platform, trying to be everywhere. When I got into this online space, I was on Instagram. I was heavy on Instagram. I was on Facebook. I was on YouTube. YouTube was always my main platform, but I spent a lot of time on those other platforms repurposing and always posting over there. And because of that, I was spreading myself too thin. I was only one person and nothing really scaled and grew like significantly because I was putting energy in too many spaces, and that's something that I've learned now of just the focus on one thing, and that's how you can truly get something to grow and scale. Also, I was focusing way too much on views, virality, and focused on algorithms. I was obsessing over the numbers, and this is an easy trap to get caught into, and that became my focus. I didn't have an income plan on the back end, and I was just focused on getting a ton of views and looking at it like I'll get paid a good amount from, YouTube, which was my main platform at the time. And that right there can get you on that content hamster wheel. You're just focusing on views, focusing on views. And I used to think the views would pay a lot, and I remember getting those YouTube checks of like $100. And at the time, that was a big deal. I was new to online income, but knowing what I know now, I can focus on something else that's really going to move the needle and really grow and scale my income versus just relying on a platform that's going to pay me pennies. And I'm not saying you can't win that way, but it's very hard. And the last thing is kind of ties into what I just said, and that's just relying on platforms to pay me, mainly YouTube. I had the ad revenue mindset. That was all I was focused on. And I actually having a business plan, not having multiple ways to diversify my income that could even make me more income. And then really just playing that waiting game of waiting to get monetized, waiting for the platform to pay me when I could be more proactive and I could create income streams like in that moment based on my experience and my skill set. So what would I do instead knowing what I know now, and this is a no-brainer? I would create a service, a not just any service, a very niche and specific service. And I say specific because something I've learned is when you're too broad, it's hard to attract your target audience. It's hard to make income and sales. So when you can be specific, you really talk to your people and you can get faster results. And this service would solve a specific problem. So I would think about what's my experience, what's my skill set, and then I would think about the market, what's in demand, what do people have problems with, and I would create a service that combine those two things. And the thing about this service is it's easy to start up and you can get paid more. I think in those beginning stages, I was focused on things that wouldn't really move the needle in terms of income. For example, YouTube AdSense, which was just paying me, I was getting $100 checks versus a niche service that's in demand. I could easily charge 1,500 or $1,000 or a couple $1,000 depending on what that service is. And I will go about offering this service through freelancing, which is something that I didn't really know about when I got into the online income space. And that's simply just offering this service. I could offer it through a platform. They have freelance platforms where you can pitch your services there, and the clients are there on the platform looking for specific services. So I would probably start there because usually in those beginning stages, people don't have a huge audience, and it's not easy to grow an audience and it takes time. So tapping into the freelance marketplaces can get me paid faster, get my services out there faster. And the last thing I would do on top of the service and freelancing is I would add in affiliate marketing way faster, and I would be very strategic and intentional with it. So knowing what I know now, I would be strategic. I wouldn't look at it as something like passive. I would think of it as like a business model. And then I will create intentional, specific content around affiliate marketing. So that could be content that targets a specific person and solves a specific pain point and then presenting and having my links within that content. This wouldn't be the foundation of my business model. It would be something in the back end that it would take some time to build up, but it is something that could turn into legit passive income over time. And it's something that compounds over time. And if you want a more detailed breakdown of how I make income online in multiple ways, I have some freebies in my video description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.